Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn your images into pencil sketches in Canva. So if you want to transfer your photos into beautiful pencil sketches with just a few clicks, you can use Canva. And on today's tutorial, I'll show you how you can convert any images into a realistic pencil sketch only using Canva. So what you need to do in here, just open Canva and prepare your image. After that, you can just find apps, and in here, just find this app, Photos to Sketch. Use this keyword. Okay, this one's right here. Click on it and open the app. As you guys can see here, you just need to upload your photos, and it will be transferred into stunning pencil sketch. This is an example, and you can just tap on open again. Here I'm using this one, the N16 photo on my design. Here you can adjust the filter strength. I'm going to go with 4. If you want to have a transparent background, you can just enable this. I'm going to just click on it and tap on transform and replace. Just wait until your image turn into a pencil sketch. Okay, so now the photo to sketch has turned my photos into sketch just like this. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks.